guys, it is currently 3 p.m. and I am here in New York with my mom with Sephora Collection. So I would like to thank Sephora Collection for sponsoring today's video. I will be vlogging my mini week. I'm gonna be at this hotel for like 3 nights, so like 4-ish days, not really. I leave Wednesday morning, but we are here for our on the road meetup, so stay tuned for all that footage. But we just checked in to our hotel and it is so cute. Once again, Sephora Collection has outdone themselves and I want to give you guys a of what we have here. We have a really cute gifting moment right here. We have a jacket which I saw on Amy Maria Summers Instagram, but we have our cute little painted jean jacket with our names painted, a little water bottle, a card which I'll be reading, and then a little travel bag right here, which I feel like it looks like, oh, I think it's Shay Mitchell's line. Really cute. This is my mom's bed. They gave her a water bottle, and then we have all the goods.
Had to ask you how you doing, baby, lately.
Hey guys, so last time you saw me, I just ate breakfast and everything, but I am now ready for the day. We are doing a bit of an outing this morning before the meetup today in New Jersey. So yeah, I thought I'd show you guys my little outfit. My outfit here is from Petite Studio. They're actually based here in New York, but I got this set like a year ago, haven't worn it, and I thought it was super cute. Anyway, I'm pretty much ready. We're gonna go ahead and head down now, so yeah. Hey guys, so we are here at the vessel on our first little outing today before the meetup. Oh my gosh, who's here with me today? Oh my god, hi! Hey! But if you guys ever want to come here, it's at Hudson Yard. So yeah, it's a new little sculpture thing. So we're here. Okay guys, so I'm back from like sightseeing and I just ate some lunch with my mom. We just ordered in some like chicken and stuff, and I'm off for the meetup. But we're going to New Jersey today, so we'll be at the Garden State Plaza. You guys already know that because this day is already gone for you, but that's where I'm headed now. I put little pins, not really pins, but little clips in my hair this way. I pinned it back this morning, but I thought this would be cuter. And for my outfit, I changed into this dress, and this is from Verge Girl. It's like a little floral mini dress with a ruffle right there, and then I put on some clear heels so that I can be a little tall, and these are actually really comfortable because it has a thicker strap and it has a really thick heel, so I'll be fine in these for the next 2 hours. We're having our Hannah Montana moment. Yes. Oh my god, I'm scared. This is me being nervous. Me being really nervous.
Told myself that I'm alright. Told my friends I'll be fine. Told my mom that I got friends, I still do. I do. And oh, I feel all alone. Turning on my bed, scrolling fast on my phone like, oh, I would grow. Be a better son, call my mama a little more. But I'm messed up, and trust me, I know I could do better, oh, I know.
Hey guys, so I am back to my hotel room, and it's currently 6:47, so I gotta head down for dinner. I'm wearing a super comfy outfit because I've been in fancy clothes all day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head down now, and I will see you guys at dinner. So I am back in my hotel room after dinner. I met up with a friend, and now my mom said that the team came and put down some new goodies. Here's a little cute setup. I have a card that I will read, and we have some hair clips. I think they're coming out with a hairline. This is so exciting. They did skincare, now we have hair. This is a smoothing cream. We have texturizing spray and dry shampoo, which I really need. This is so cute. I'm gonna have to wear this tomorrow. I love little clips like this, and it has my name on it. This is so pretty. I love Slip so much, and they've gifted me eye masks and pillows in the past 2 trips, so I'm super excited to change out my pillow with this pillowcase. So thank you so much to Sephora Collection for this. Okay guys, so good morning. It is currently almost 7. It's 6:57, and I am now getting ready for the day because we have to leave at 8:25, and I wanted to do a quick little get ready with me. I'm just going to use some of my favorite products, my favorite Sephora Collection products, so I'll be sure to list everything I use down below. Today we have planned a excursion. We have a sailing thing. After breakfast we're going to kellogg's cereal bar for breakfast, which I'm super excited about because I love cereal. But then we're also going to see the Statue of Liberty, which even though I've been to New York so many times, I've never been to the Statue of Liberty, so that should be fun. I just primed my face, and now I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Collection Matte Perfection Tinted Moisturizer. I used this yesterday, and it was amazing. I don't really need too much coverage right now. My skin's doing pretty well, but I'm just applying this all over my face with the Sephora Collection sponge. And now I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes just to brighten them up a little bit. I'm using the Fenty Pro Filter concealer. And then for eyebrows today, I am using my Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I again go really natural with this because I don't want it super strong. It looks kind of scary when I have really bold eyebrows. And then I make sure to lock everything in with a little bit of brow gel so that my hairs stay in place and in shape the whole entire day. Now I'm just gonna quickly dust a little bit of powder all over my face to set my face makeup. This is the Sephora Collection Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. And then I think I want to try this new bronzer that's in here. This is the Sephora Collection and the Lashes collab. This is the Gold Digger palette, and it's like face products right here. I hope it's gonna focus on this. It's beautiful. So I want to go ahead and try this little lighter bronzer on the side just to warm up the perimeter of my face. Nothing too crazy. And then for blush, I'm also using one of my favorite palettes from Sephora Collection. This is the blush palette. I don't see the name of the palette on here, but it has very peachy tones. I want to take this more tan color, very neutral. Now I'm going to quickly set with the Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifier Setting Spray. This is beautiful. I just lightly do this little spray in between products. I'm going to go in with my Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and I'm using the golden highlight in the corner, which is my daily highlight. So I'm I'm gonna dust this over my cheekbone. Okay. Now I'm gonna prime my eyelids and do a tiny bit of eyeshadow. I'm using my current favorite I Love palette. We have all of them here. They gave me a new set of all the palettes, but I brought my own, and this one is I Love in medium cool. I'm just gonna dust a tiny bit of this medium brown right here. It's like kind of a very warm taupey brown. Now I'm going to be doing eyeliner, and this is my current favorite. This is the Sephora Collection Brush Tip Liquid Liner in waterproof. Now I'm just going to pop on my favorite Lily Lashes Sephora Collection collaboration. I love this pair. You guys always ask what I wear on a daily basis, and this is in Paris. They are just full 3D mink lashes, and they're very natural at the end, so it kind of looks very fluttery face to face, but on the side it's very light and bouncy, dramatic kind of. So the lashes are now on. I also thickened the eyeliner a little bit just to cover the lash band and everything, and I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of brown liner for my lower lashes. This is the Sephora Collection. I can't even read this anymore. This is the retractable eyeliner in water with waterproof in it. I can't even see the shade name anymore. Pretty sure it's just brown. My current favorite Lip Story shade is number 1 in Brunch Date. It's like the perfect light nude color. I just blot this kind of on my lips. Like that. I love going in with the lip clicks. This one is in the shade Caramel. So yeah, this is the basic makeup look today. I don't think I'm gonna add anything too crazy later on, maybe just touch up the highlight and powder myself a little bit, but this is the makeup look we're going with today. We're going sailing and maybe some other little things before the meetup since it's later in the day, but yeah, I'm super tired. Woke up really early, but we'll have a 2-hour car ride later to Long Island, so maybe rest then. But yeah, that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short get ready with me. I will be sure to list everything I used down below. Once again, thank you Sephora Collection for everything. This is going to be amazing today. Hey guys, so I'm back in the hotel room. The TV's on, I apologize, but I just got my lunch. My mom is helping me iron some clothes for me to wear later to the meetup, but we have about an hour and a half to just eat lunch and get ready for the meetup. I don't need that much time. I'm gonna throw my hair up, put some pieces out, and just change my outfit basically. No need to touch up my makeup. I think I'm just gonna add a bit of sparkle, but that's about it. Touch up my lips on the go. But I have my lunch with me. I just got chicken again. It's super fast and simple to eat, so I just got that and a Red Bull so I have some energy, and then we're just gonna get ready to go meet you guys. I hope there's a lot of you guys in Long Island. I know the 2 locations were kind of close, so like I don't know if a lot of people from yesterday are gonna come again today, but yeah, it should be fun. I'm really excited. So I just finished up my makeup look. I put on some gloss. The colors I'm using right now are Icon from Buxom, and then on top, of course, I did Perfect Nude from Sephora Collection. My favorite lip gloss ever. So, and then I guess as for my hair, I just straightened it up again, and then I took out some pieces in the front right here, and then I pinned back my hair just so that it stays like that. And I think this is the hairstyle I'm gonna go for today. Here is my meetup outfit. I have the same shoes on from yesterday. These are from Aldo. And then my little dress here is from Verge Girl. It has little tie straps, but I wanted to put on this little polka dot button up thing from Forever 21 that I got a long time ago. I think it just looks really cute. And I just have my purse that I don't really carry when I'm meeting you guys, but this is my outfit today. Super simple, really cute. So yeah. Guys, we're here. Yes. We're here in Long Island, or on Long Island.
On Long Island.
We're leaving. We're leaving to go meet you guys. We're going to
walk out here. Oh my god. We're about to walk.
Okay.
On your left side off the corner.
Okay. Wait, where are we going?
Tell myself that I'm alright.
Hey guys, we just finished with our Long Island meetup. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Thank you. That was so much fun. I love everyone.
That ends our on the road little meetup.
Wait, I'm sad about that.
We love you guys.
Yeah, that was awesome. We love you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We love you. Guys, I'm back in my room after the meetup. I'm super freaking busted looking, but we're going to dinner, so I just put up my hair, put on a cardigan. I'm more comfy now. But I just read the 2 letters I got today from Cindy and Jana. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for coming out. But I just read them. They're so cute. Meeting all of you guys these past 2 days has been amazing. Thank you so much for coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and go to dinner now and everything, but this trip has been absolutely amazing. Definitely has opened my eyes to actually see you guys in real life, see people who follow me, Ellie and Eris. Like, it's been insane. We literally didn't know if anyone would come to either of them. We were so nervous. So seeing you guys and walking out and just being super dramatic, and I don't even know, but it was crazy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for coming to our on the road meetups with Sephora Collection. We are off to dinner. I'm so hungry. This is my outfit of the night. I can't believe it's our last night here in New York. I mean, it was a super short trip, but wish it was longer, of course. Always a good time here. I'm probably gonna come back very soon. But I'm just wearing my sandals that I've been wearing. These are from Nasty Gal. I'm pretty sure my dress, again, is from Verge Girl, and I'm wearing this little cardigan thing that I got a long time ago from Forever 21. I'm wearing the same bag. I only brought one, and that is all for the look. I put up my hair because it was feeling really gross, but we're going to dinner now, so see you guys there. Get it together. It's not getting it together. Good night, guys.
Bye.